The rest of them don't.
Whoa. Hello. Let's get some snow action. I wonder if it's catching it. I wonder if it's catching the snowflakes.
Oh, face it towards the.
I don't need this. This and this is mine though.
Yeah.
You know?
I know.
Can you write it on your window? COVID. Oh no, don't put the defroster on. We could do our own show, like we shouldn't be dead.
Mm-hmm.
I can see myself in the mirror. Look at that curls. Why didn't you let me cut my hair like this?
What do you mean? Yeah, it's already growing out. You're the one that wanted it longer on the top.
Negative?
Yes.
I deny it. Objection.
Yeah, I know you'll deny it every time.
Objection.
But... Well, ow.
Huh?
Have you taken a shower and washed your hair since we got the shower fixed? No.
You just got it fixed yesterday. Cool.